live from Tijuana, Mexico. Here I am with
Veronica
and
Philip,
okay. So where did you guys come from?
North Florida.
North Florida. Now, what'd you come out here for? Okay, the way they're describing their place is beautiful. Okay, I got to visit North Florida. I've been in the South a few times. Now, what'd you come out here for?
A totally new experience. Yeah, turn our lives around, get on the right track. And
You've only been here a couple of weeks, okay? And I know it's been pretty dramatic so far. This is your third week.
yeah,
Okay. Now, what kind of conditions did you have, if you don't mind sharing that?
arthritis, Parkinsons disease, and old age.
Well, you're not old enough for old age, okay? We're supposed to go to 120, okay? So when you're barely halfway there, that ain't old age.
Just feels like it.
Well, it's not the years, it's the mileage. And aside from a horse biting your finger, okay, which is that was terrific injury. What have you noticed differences? Because I know you're real concerned about particularly the Parkinson's diagnosis, which it's just a diagnosis.
Right. I feel like I can move a lot easier than I did before we started. My joints have limbered up. My back feels better.
You look at the ceiling.
Yeah, I can look at the ceiling now.
Oh, that was okay. That was so cool because they were over there, getting some detoxing and nutrient IVs, and you were looking up to see it. He hadn't moved his neck like that in a while.
Years.
It's been a long time.
Okay, you're doing something radically different. I mean, this is why we interview people, because they're literally taking charge of their health. They're doing things that are completely different. It's a whole different world.
Yeah.
What can you tell someone that's given a death sentence, okay, like that this is, you're never going to recover or anything, and here 2.5 weeks, 3 weeks later, you're noticing.
Do not live by fear. Step into your comfort zone. This is not stepping out of it. We thought so because of the fear. This was actually stepping into the comfort zone.
Now, you got some experience in the medical field.
Yes, I'm a nurse.
Okay. Why aren't you following the doctor's poison recommendations?
No.
Okay, I know.
No.
Why not? You just thought.
I did for many years, and I finally got wise. And part of it is watching you for 4 years, guiding me gently without even knowing that you were guiding this old lady in Port St. Joe, Florida. It's like, he's making more sense than who I work for or work with. And so I said, I've got to try it. We had a conversation, and here we are.
The key is, it's not me doing the work. Okay, the body is self-healing, self-regulating. Your body gives symptoms for a reason. That's it. The job of a chiropractor is to remove the interference and get the right nutrients in there so your body can regenerate.
Yeah.
God will heal, given the right conditions, the right tools.
Doctors, that should be part of the Hippocratic Oath, okay? Well, not do no harm, because they're doing harm. Okay, so let's what can you tell someone aside from, you just said it.
Do your research.
Do your research.
Do your research.
Don't react out of fear. If someone gives you a diagnosis, okay, and they'll tell you, we don't know what causes it.
They call it medical practice. So be in the know. It's your body. Take control of your body. It's not for me to give to somebody else to do with what they feel they need to do. It's my body. It's his body. And that's what we're here for. It's his body.
There's the stewardship. Brother, it takes a lot of courage. I'm really proud of you. And you've noticed, I've seen massive differences. Just getting on and off the table.
Yeah.
Okay, that was it took 1 day to get good at that. But, okay, this is kind of cool. For any doctor watching this, okay, after the adjustment, I do something crazy. Okay, I set the patient up massively rapidly. Okay, and that challenges the brain. Then what you're going to see, you can see nystagmus of the eyes. You can see a balance issue. You are a rock. Oh my God, it was so cool. Standing up, good balance, not weaving back and forth. And that was like the first few days. Just impressive.
But I still have those weaving moments. but it's not near as severe as it was.
It's getting littler and littler. I mean, just like it's diminishing. So,
And instead of seeing the body break down, you're seeing the body regenerate, and that's the key. And doctors look at some of our videos and things, but you know, you need victories, like when you're doing the leg swinging, when you're doing the arm swinging. Incredible.
the breathing exercise.
The breathing exercises.
Swinging the arms, breathing, and walking, and just
Just incredible.
walking on an uneven surface. Things that we would think would be harmful. No, they're helping us grow.
Oh, that's the key. Okay, get the shoes off, walk on an even surface. In our clinic here, there's not a heck of a lot of grass around, okay, unless you want to go to the golf course. But walking on the pool deck, uneven, with bare feet, what a difference.
Yeah.
Just try it at home and know that will help brain function. God bless you both. I mean, for having that courage.
Thankful that we're here. We're gonna miss you.
God bless you. I'm going to miss you both too. Okay, take charge of your health. And don't succumb to the label of a diagnosis. Your body is built by God. It's smart. It's designed to heal. Find the deficiency or toxicity, and your body has a chance to regenerate. And know that brain can regenerate.
Yep.
God bless you.